Straya, Straya. My country don't share no borders 'cause of all the waters that surround our sands. Thank God for our resources 'cause they are the sources of our wealthy lands. Don't try to find the capital or fight the animals, you're on your own. Just drive from town to paradise and you'll see why we call Australia home. Australia, 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 Australia. You think you got it, oh you think you got it, but have you got a rock where there is nothing at all? We get together, oh we get together, the weather's always better when there's cricket involved. And we believe that
Mainship is forever.
we're all mates, 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 and we're
Multicultural.
and why you not living in Australia when you know we are so happy here? Australia, 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 Australia. Alright now fellas, yeah. Now what's cooler than a big cold beer? Ice cold. Here we go. Shake it, shake, shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it like a Polaroid picture. Shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it like a Polaroid picture. Australia, Australia, Australia.
I hopped off the plane at LAX with a dream, my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fame excess. Am I gonna fit in? Jumped in a cab, here I am for the first time. Look to my right and I see the Hollywood sign. This is all so crazy. Everybody seems so famous. My tummy's turning and I'm feeling kinda homesick. Too much